RNQ NIS classes. Chapter number 14, Science and Technology in India. Like people in many any other part of the world, Indians too have rich legacy of scientific idea, a desire to now the unknown accomplished with the experimentations and observation have always generated scientific uh, timber. This has led to the assumptions that truth lay in the real world. With all the diversity and complexity. It has been a responsibility of scientists to unravel the mystery behind the truth and utilize available resources for the progress of humanity. In the following papers, you will be reading about this continuous search for knowledge and truth leading discoveries and inventions and their application day to day in life in India. Now let us discuss in objectives. After reading this lesson, you will be able to understand the identify the development of science in India, recognize the various scientific fields in which Indians have made their contributions, examine the various forces and factors that help in developing science during any period, and draw linkage between modern India science and its rich scientific heritage. Development of science in ancient India. Mathematics has been called the general name of Ganita, which includes arithmetic, geometry, algebra, astronomy, and astrology. Arithmetic is called in several names such as uh, Ganita, calculation on board, Ankagadit, calculation with numbers. Geometry is called Rekha Ganit, line workers and algebra, uh, Bij Ganit, seed analysis, astronomy, and astrology are included in the term Jyotisha. India has a rich heritage of science and technology. The development on nature could be overcome by developments in science in ancient India. Religion science worked in close proximity. Let us find out about the development in the different branches of science in the ancient period. Astronomy. Astronomy made a great progress the moment of planets came in emphasized and closely observed uh, Jyotishanganga text established systematic categories in astronomy, but more basic problem was handled by Aryabhatta 499 AD. His Aryabhatiya is a consigned text containing 121 verses. It contains separate section on astronomy definitions, method of determining the true position of the planet, description of the movement of the sun and moon, and the calculation of the eclipse. The reason he gave for eclipse was that the earth was a sphere and rotated on the axis, and when the shadow of earth fell on the moon, it caused lunar eclipse, and when the shadow of the moon fell on the earth, it caused solar eclipse. On the contrary, the orthodox theory explained as a process where the demon swallowed the planet. All these observations have been described by uh, Vara, Vara Mihra in Panch Siddhantika, which gives the summary of five schools of astronomy present in his time. Aryabhatta divided uh, uh, divided from Vedic astronomy and gave his scientific present in this time. Aryabhatta outlook, which become a guideline for later astronomers. Astrology and horoscope were studied in ancient India. Aryabhat theory showed a distinct department from astrology, which strayed more on belief than scientific explorations. Mathematics. The town planning of Harappa shows that the people posed a good knowledge of measurement and geometry. By 3rd century AD, mathematics developed as a separate stream of study. Indian mathematics is supported have originated from the Shulvastras uh, Ap- Apastama in 2nd century BC introduced practical geometry involving acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle. This knowledge helped the construction of fire altars where the kings offered sacrifices. The three main contributions in the field of mathematics were the notation system, the decimal system, and use of zero. The notation and the numerals were carried to the best by the Arabs. These numerals replaced the Roman numbers. Zero was discovered in India in the 2nd century BC. Brahma Gupta, Brahmas Gupta Siddhanta is the very first book that mentioned zero as a number. Hence, Brahma Gupta is considered as a man who found zero. He gave rules of using zero with others numbers. Aryabhatta discovered algebra and so formulated the area of triangle which lead to the origin of trigonometry. The Shurya Siddhanta is a very famous work. Vahamishra uh, Brihatti Samhita of the 6th century AD is another pioneering work in the field of astronomy. His observations that the moon rotated around the earth and earth rotated around the sun found recognized and later discoveries were based on this assertion. Mathematics and astronomy together eh, ignited interest in time and cosmology. These discoveries in astronomy and mathematics become the cornerstone for further research and progress. Medicine. Disease cure and medicines were mentioned for the first time in uh, Atharvaved. Fever, cough, consumption, diarrhea, dropsy, sores, top, toproshi, and seizure are the disease mentioned. The disease are said to be because by the demons and spirit in entering one's body. The remedies recommended were replete with magical charms and spell. From 600 BC began the period of rational science. Takshila and Taranshi emerged as center of medicine and learning. The two important tests in this field are Charak Shamita by Charak and Shastra Samhita by Shushruta. How important was their work can be understood from the knowledge that is reached as for Cha- China, Central Asia through transaction in various languages. The planets and herbs used for medicine purposes have been mentioned in mm, time. Atharvaved purposes have been mentioned in Charak Shamita. Surgery came to be mentioned as a separate stream around 4th century AD. Shushruta was a pioneer of this discipline. He considered surgery as the highest division of the healing art and least liable of fallacy. He mentions 121 surgical instruments along with this. He also mentioned the method of operation, bone setting, cataract, and so on. The surgeon in ancient India were familiar with plastic surgery, repair of nose, ears, and lips. Shastra maintained 760 plants. All parts of the plant's roots, barks, flowers, leaves, etc. were used. Stress was laid on diet. Salt-free diet for nephrites. Both the Charan Shamhita and the Sutra Samhita become the procedure of the development of Indian medicine in the century. However, surgery suffered in the early medieval time since the art of dissecting with uh, razor become work of barber. Metallurgy: the glazed potteries and bronze and copper artifacts found in the Indus Valley excavations point towards a highly developed metallurgy. The Vedic people were aware of fermenting grain and fruits, training leather, and the process of dyeing. By this first century AD, mass production of metal like iron, copper, silver, gold, and of the alloys like brass and bronze were taking place. The iron pillar in Qutub Minar complex is indicative of the high quality of alloying that was being alone and been done. Alkali and acids were produced and utilized for making medicines. This technology was also used for other craft like producing dyes. The colors, textile dyeing was popular. The Ajanta frescoes reflect on the quality of color. These paintings have survived till date. A 2-meter high bronze image Buddha has been discovered at uh, Sultan, Sultanganj near uh, Bhagalpur. Geography: the constant interaction between man and nature forced people to study geography. Though the people were clear about their own physical geography, that the China and also the Western country, they were unaware of their position on the earth and distance with other country. Indians also contributed to shipbuilding in the ancient period. Voyages and navigations was not a familiar forte for Indians. However, Lodal, a site of Gujarat, has the remains of a dockyard, providing that trade flourished in those days by sea. In the early medieval period, with the development of concept of tirtha and tirtha yatra, a vast mass of geographical information was accumulated. They were finally complied as a part of Purans. In many cases, separate Shala Purana was also compliant. Scientific and technological development in medieval India. During the medieval period, 11th and 18th century, science and technology in India developed along two lines. One considered with the already charted course of early traditions, and the other with the new influences which come up as a result of Islamic and European influence. The muktabs and madrasas came into existence that follows a set of crucial these institutions used to receive royal patronage to the two brothers Sikh Abdullah and Sikh Ajullah, specialist in rational science. Uh, Mo- um, Mogulath, he headed the Madras, Sambal and Agra. Learned men from Arabia, Persia and Central Asia were invited to reach in these madras. A large number of karkhana workshop were maintained by the kings and the nobles to supply provisions, store and equipment to royal household and government department. The Kharkhanas not only worked as manufacturing agencies, built also served as a center for technical and vocational training to young men. The Karkhanas trained and turned out the artisans and craftsmen in different branches who later set up their own independent uh, karkhanas. workshops. Muslim rulers attempt to reform the uh, circu- uh, uh, circulations of primary schools. Some important subjects like arithmetic, mensuration, geometry, astronomy, accounting, public administrations, and agriculture were included in the course of study for primary education. Through special efforts were made by the rulers of carry out reform in education, yet science didn't make much had headway during this period. Efforts were made to seek a kind of synthesis between the Indian traditional scientific culture and the prevalent approach to science in other country. Uh, हम हमा Hamadeva biology. Hamadeva complied Marga Pashi Sastra in the 13th century, which gives a general um, which gives a general through not always scientific accounting some of the beasts and birds of hunting. The medieval rulers as warrior and hunter kept animals such as horse, dog, cheetahs and falcons, animals both domesticated and wild existence in their menageries. Akbar showed special interest in producing good breed of domestic animals, elephants and horse. Jahangir in his uh, Tuzak Jahangir recorded his observations and experiments of breeding and hybridizations. He discovered about 36 species of animals. His court artists, especially Mansoor, produced elegant and accurate portrait of animals, some of which are still preserved in several museum and private collections. As a naturalist, Jahangir was interested in the study of plants, and his court of artists in their florid portraiture describes some 57 plants. Mathematics. Um, Brahmagupta, the great 7th century mathematics, has given descriptions uh, of negative numbers as debts and positive numbers of as fortune, which shows that ancient uh, Bhrat- um, Bhratyas need a utility of mathematics for practical trade. In the early medieval period, the two outstanding works in mathematics were Ganita Sara by Sridhara and Leelavati by Bhaskara. Ganita Sara deals with multiplication, division, uh, numbers, cube, square roots, mensuration, and so on. Ganesh Devana produced uh, Buddhiveshni, a commentary of Leelavati containing number of illustrations in 1587. Rashidi during Shah Jahan region and Nikan, Nikantha Jyoti with a contour of Akbar complied Tajik, introducing a large number of Persian technical terms. Akbar ordered the introduction uh, Tajik, introducing a large number of Persian technical terms. Akbar ordered the introduction of mathematics as a subject of study, among others, in the education system. Bahuddin Amuli, Nirsuddin Tushi, Arak, and Al Kashi made valuable contribution of this field. Nirsuddin Tusi, the founder director of Maragha Observatory, was recognized often as an authority. Chemistry. Before the introducing of writing paper, ancient literature was preserved generally on palm leaves in the South India and beech bark, Bhojpatra, Kashmir and other northern region of the country. Use of paper began during the medieval period. Kashmir, Salkot, Jafarabad, Patna, Murshidabad, Ahmedabad, Aurangabad, Mysore were well-known center of paper production uh, during Tipu times. Mysore paused paper making factory producing a special type paper that had gold surface. The paper making technique was more or less the same throughout the country, differing only in preparation the pulp from different raw material. The Mughals knew the technique of production of powder and its use in guns. Indian craftsmen learned the technique and evolved situated explosion composition. They were aware of the method of preparation of gunpowder using saltpeter, sulfur, charcoal in different ratio for use in different types of gun. The principal type of firework include those which preside through the rockets produce a spark of fire blast with various uh, colors and ended with explosion. Turkey Bavari gives a account of the costing of Kanun. The metal was made was made were also produced. Ali Akbari speaks of the uh, regulation of the perfume office of Akbar. The attar of roses was popular perfume, the discovery of which is attributed to the mother of Nur Jahan. Mention may also be made here the classed title and poetry during the period. Astronomy. In astronomy, a number of commentaries dealing with the already established astronomical nation appeared. Ujjain, Varanasi, Mathura, and Delhi were be the main observation. Firoz Shah Tugh established observation post at Delhi. Firoz Shah uh, Bahmani under Hakim Hussain Gilani and Syed Muhammad Kashmi set up the observation in Daulatbad. Both lunar and solar calendar were used. Mahendra Suri, a court astronomer of Firoz Shah, developed as an astronomical instrument called Yantraja, uh, Parmeshwara, and Mahabhakshiriya were famous families of astronomy and almanac maker. In Nilakanta Suvaswatam produced a commentary on Aryabhatta. Kamlakar studied the Islamic idea on astronomy. He was an authority of Islamic knowledge as well as Jaipur, Maharashtra. Javai Jaising second and set up five astronomy observation in Delhi, Ujjain, Varanasi, Mathura, and Jaipur. Medicine. There was an attempt to develop specialized treatises on different disease, pulse and urine examination conducted for uh, diagnostic purposes. The Sarangdhara Shamita recommends use of opium of medicines. The Rakshita system dealt principally with a host of mineral medicines, including metallic preparation. The Tohfat ul Munimam was a Persian treatise written by Muhammad Munin in seventh century, which discussed the options of physician. The Unani Tib is an important system of medicine which flourished in India in the medieval period. Ali bin Raban summarized the whole system of Greek medicine as well as the mm, medical knowledge in the book Firdasi Hikmat. The Unani medicine system came to India along with the Muslim around the 11th century and soon found a congenial environment for six growth. Hakim Dia Muhammad compiled book mainly incorporating the Arabic, Persian, and Ayurvedic medical knowledge. Firoz Shah Tughlaq wrote a book Tibbi Firoza Shahi. The Tibbi Aurangzebi dedicated to Aurangzeb is based on our Ayurvedic source. The Musla Jati Dhara Shikohi of Niruddin Muhammad dedicated to Dhara Shiko deals with Greek medicine agriculture. In the medieval period, the pattern of agriculture practices was more of less than same as that in earlier ancient India. Some important changes, however, were brought about by the foreigners, such as introduction of new crops, trees, and horticulture plants. The principal crops were wheat, rice, barley, miles, pulses, um, out seeds, cotton, sugarcane, and indigo. The Western Ghats continue yield black pepper of good quality, and Kashmir maintain in tradition for saffron and fruits, ginger and cinnamon from Tamil Nadu, cardamom, sandalwood, and coconuts from Kerala were becoming increasingly popular. Tambaku, cheese, potato, guava, custard apple, cashew, and pineapple were the important new plants which made in India their home in 16th century and 17th century. The region of the Malwa and Bihar were also well known as production of uh, opium from the poppy plants. Improved horticulture methods were adopted with great science. The systematic mangographic was introducing the district of Goa in middle of 16th century in the field of irrigation well tanks, canals, rahat, charts, a bucket made of leather and delanki were used to lift water with the help of the yoked oxen, which continue to be means of agriculture was placed on solid foundation by the state, which brought about a system of land measurement and land classification benefit both the rulers and to be tillers. Science and technology in modern India. Before considering the progress of science and technology in India, since independent, it is necessary to understand what we mean by the term science and technology. Science can be defined as the many as any systematic activity that seeks to gain knowledge about this physical world. Technology is that activity which seeks to put this knowledge to productive use. As these definitions show, science and technology are clearly interlinked in present day. In India, role of science and technology in national development has been duly recognized by the government. The second five-year plan has that the most important single factor in promoting economic development is the community, the the ready uh, the readiness to apply modern science and technology. In 1971, the Department of Science and Technology (DST) was set up promote new area of science and technology. Similarly, State Council of Science and Technology have been established at the state level. A part of the national policy, the government is promoting various research and development schemes to encourage scientific activity in the section as we will take take up some of the main area in which scientific knowledge and modern technology have made an impact. Agriculture. It is mainly because of the application of modern science and technology in agriculture. In India, is able to about 135 million tons of food grains today, as compared to 50 million tons 30 years ago. The application range from the civilization by held seed of energy management in agriculture and post harvest technology. In these efforts, the Indian Council of Agriculture Research has played a leading role through 70 their agriculture 32 veterinary 8 agriculture engineering and the dairy college. The ICAR has been playing the key uh, role in scientific education in farmers as well as other engaged in different sectors as agriculture, animals husbandry, fishes and forest. The challenges that lie ahead in agriculture and are in area of increasing the yield, rise, pulse, oil seeds and many other cash crops. Initially plantations and promoting social foresting and shifting from agriculture based on chemical citizen to origin fertilization origin fertilizers industry. It is the field of the industry that modern science and technology made at earliest and most revolutionary impact in India. The government has consistency tries to use modern science and technology for the industry development. The two government organization council for scientific and industry research, CSIR, the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, over between the theme wide range of the science and technology. Science and technology research for civil and defense purposes. A large number of terms have been emerged from CSIR laboratories. President products in the area of food technology, food technology, um, food technology, furnished leather goods, glass and cremins, colors, television and receiver seats. The research carried out in the field of coal, such as upgrading of coal and extraction of electricity from coal, has been at effectively considered the most recent example of such capacity. The advanced research that is now being done to produce missiles in India. Some missiles have already been tested and further development. Nuclear energy. India aimed to utilize nuclear energy from peaceful purpose during the last 63 years uh, since the establishment of the Atomic Energy Commission in 1948. India has made significant progress in the field of nuclear technology. In 1957, in Bhava Atomic Research Center (BARC) was established in Trombay. It is largest single scientific establishment in country. Nuclear power station have already been established at Tarpara, Maharashtra, Kota, Rajasthan, Kalpankam, Tamil Nadu, Norar, Narora, UP, and Karappa, Gujarat. The adoption of the modern technology has led to the increasing in hydrogen content of nuclear power reactor constructed in India. As a result, India is today only of the few countries of the world which can uh, ideology design, construct and operate and nuclear uh, without relying on foreign help. Beside nuclear science research and development efforts in the field such as electronic medicine, biology, agriculture, meteorology is also being done at some nuclear center. Space technology. The Indian space program is directed towards the goal of self-reliance in the use of space technology for national development. Over the years, the space program has established with a succession of achievements. They include the launching of the first Indian space satellite, Aryabhat in 1975, and the Bhaskar I and Bhaskar II from the Soviet Union, the Rohini satellite or Indian on SLV 3 rock, the Apple satellite on the European airline rocket, a far-reaching experiment in education through satellite, provided radio, television, telecommunications, and meteorological services. A perspective of major space mission planned for the decade 1985 to 95 aims at using space technology for national-wide application in communication survey and management of natural resources and meteorology. Electronics. Since independent, India has acquired the capability to provide a wide variety of electronic goods such as radio and television sets, communication system, broadcasting equipment, radars, nuclear reactors, power control system, and underwater system. A very large part of the component required for these are produced ironically, the production of the electronic goods has been growing at the rate of 18% per annum over the past decade. Today, we are even exporting electronic goods to different parts of the world. Further, computers have been introduced to improve efficiency and enhance product major facilities recently set up include the Semiconductor Limited, Chandigarh, National Computer Center, Bombay National Information Center, New Delhi, and a number of regional computer centers. Medical and health science. In the field of medical, there have been many achievements. Major advances have been made in preventing and treating various diseases. Smallpox has been uh, eradicated treatment of disease like tuberculosis, malaria, uh, Filarium, goiter, and cancer has been considerably improved. Research is being carried out to central communicable disease. Research-based activity have been already increased life expectancy appreciably and death rate has declined. While schemes such as immunizations program have reduced infant mortality considerably, improved medical facilities in the form of government-run hospitals and dispensaries, research council and primary health center for rural area are also being provided. Ocean development. India has many interests in the field of ocean development, such as exploration of the store oil, fishes, resources to increase food supplies, etc. A part of ocean development was established in 1981 under the change of the Prime Minister to coordinate and direct India activities in the field of ocean research. The department has two vessels, ORV Sagar Kanya from and FORB, Sagar Sampada, which have advanced facilities for working in the field of physical, chemical, biological, geological, and geophysical, oceanography, and meteorology India. Achievement during the past few years include seabed mining using the research ship Gaveshna and setting up a research station named of Dakshin Gangotri, the Antarctica. Apart from the major area mentioned above, India has made much progress in several other fields as well. These include our activities of the oil and natural gas commission in oil explorations and refining, and the national community environment planning in the environment protection and production of the solar energy. A central Ganga authority has been set up to check pollution in the river Ganga by using sewage treatment plants. Evolution of process of science and technology. It is clear that progress of science and technology in India has been quite significant. Many new methods, products, and better quality goods have been developed in the country. India has made rapid progress in the frontier area of science and technology like space research and atomic energy. At a present, the country has a strong base in modern technology. It also has the third largest scientific and technological manpower in the world. At the same time, there have been some serious shortcomings in the progress. For instance, in basic products like textile and steel, India has been importing foreign technology. Continue import of the foreign technology show lack of ability of to create new technology to suit our needs, and this create dependence on their country. Execution's reliance on foreign technology is also visible in the important area of defense, where latest weapons are often imported from the countries. Apart from this weakness in creating new technology area of housing, for instance, India is yet to develop low cost technology to meet the needs of the poor who don't have house. Advance in the field of in nuclear and space research and praiseworthy, but these have not helped the uh, poor people for so far. We say that the progress of modern science and technology have not yet benefit the people of India equally. Now let us remind what have learned it. Ancient India have made considerable science progress in the field of science and technology. Their contribution in astronomy, mathematics, medicine, naturally chemical have made an impact on modern scientists. During the medieval period, Indians came in contact with Arabic scientific knowledge. Turkey's rulers and Mughals introduced gunpowder. Astronomy observations were set up Ujjain, Varanasi, Mathura, Jaipur, and Delhi. In modern India, scientific development has been in Delhi recognized by government, and it's being implemented through the five-year plan. Nuclear energy is being used for peacefully purposes as well. The Indian space program is directed towards the goal of self-reliance and national development.